Time management is a critical skill that involves planning and organizing how to divide your time between specific activities. Good time management enables individuals to work smarter, not harder, so that they get more done in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. Mastering this skill can lead to increased productivity, less stress, and more opportunities for advancement in all areas of life. Time management is a crucial skill that significantly impacts personal and professional productivity. It involves organizing and planning how to allocate your time between various activities to maximize efficiency and achieve goals. Effective time management allows individuals to accomplish more in a shorter period, improves the quality of work, and reduces stress. The importance of time management cannot be overstated. It enables people to better control their day-to-day activities and helps reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed. By prioritizing tasks, setting precise goals, and eliminating non-essential activities, individuals can make the most of their time, ensuring that they focus on what truly matters. The benefits of effective time management: increased productivity and efficiency. A clear schedule helps prioritize tasks and focuses the mind, reducing the time spent on non-essential activities. Better quality of work. With more time to dedicate to important tasks, the quality of work improves, lower stress levels. Effective time management also means that you're better able to meet deadlines, which in turn leads to less stress and anxiety, more opportunities for advancement. Those who can manage their time effectively are better positioned to take on additional responsibilities and get noticed by employers. Greater opportunities to achieve life goals. Managing your time well leads to more time available for your personal life, including pursuing your goals and interests. Key techniques in time management: setting clear goals. Identify what you want to achieve and set smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound goals. Prioritization. Learn to differentiate between tasks based on urgency and importance, focusing on what really matters. Planning ahead. Spend time planning and scheduling your upcoming activities each day or week. Delegation. Where appropriate, delegate tasks to others to balance the workload, limiting distractions. Identify your biggest distractions and develop strategies to manage them. Taking breaks. Short breaks between tasks can help maintain consistent performance across tasks. Challenges in time management. Effective time management is a critical skill, but mastering it can present several challenges. Addressing these challenges requires awareness, adaptability, and proactive strategies. Here are some of the most common obstacles to effective time management and ways to overcome them. 1. Procrastination. One of the biggest challenges in time management is procrastination, the tendency to delay starting or completing tasks. Procrastination can be driven by fear of failure, perfectionism, or simply a lack of motivation. Solution: break large tasks into smaller, manageable steps and set short-term deadlines for each step. This method makes the task less daunting and provides frequent feelings of accomplishment. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused intervals followed by short breaks, can also help maintain momentum and keep procrastination at bay. 2. Overcommitment. Often, people take on more tasks than they can handle, either because of a desire to please, fear of missing out, or poor judgment of how much time tasks will actually require. Solution: learn to say no or delegate tasks when necessary. Prioritize tasks based on importance and deadlines, and be realistic about what can be accomplished within the available time. Use tools like priority matrices to help decide which tasks to focus on first. 3. Distractions and interruptions. Frequent interruptions, whether from colleagues, social media, emails, or phone calls, can significantly disrupt focus and reduce productivity. Solution: set specific times to check emails and social media rather than responding to notifications as they arrive. Consider creating a work environment that minimizes interruptions, for instance, by using noise-cancelling headphones or setting boundaries with colleagues and family during work hours. 4. Poor task estimation. Misjudging the time required to complete tasks can lead to scheduling problems and increased stress. This often results from optimism bias or a lack of understanding of all the task's components. Solution: keep a record of how long tasks take to get a more accurate picture of time requirements. Review past projects to better estimate future efforts. Over time, this data will help refine your ability to schedule tasks more realistically. 5. Lack of prioritization. Without clear priorities, it's easy to waste time on unimportant tasks while critical deadlines loom. This often leads to a reactive rather than proactive approach to time management. Solution: use prioritization techniques like the Eisenhower box, which divides tasks into categories of urgency and importance. Focus on what delivers the greatest impact and aligns with your goals. 6. Inadequate planning. Failing to plan is a common pitfall that can derail time management efforts. Without a clear plan, you can easily drift among tasks, accomplishing little. Solution: spend time each day or week planning your tasks. Use calendars and scheduling tools to block time for specific activities, including breaks and contingency time for unexpected tasks or overruns. 7. Failure to set boundaries. Without clear boundaries, work and personal life can bleed into each other, leading to time management difficulties and potential burnout. Solution: clearly define work hours and personal time. Communicate your availability to colleagues, friends, and family. This distinction helps in managing expectations and respecting your designated time for different activities. Time management is a vital skill that has profound implications on personal productivity and stress levels. With effective time management, individuals not only enhance their ability to function in their professional and personal lives but also pave the way for greater successes and less stress. Techniques such as setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and planning ahead can significantly enhance one's ability to manage time efficiently. Ultimately, mastering time management skills means mastering your life.